Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish sashimi. First, selecting the right fish is absolutely crucial for safety and taste. Always choose fresh, sushi-grade fish from a trusted source. Look for fish with clear eyes, firm flesh, and a clean, mild ocean aroma. Avoid any fish that has a strong, unpleasant odor or visible discoloration, as freshness is paramount for this delicate dish. This careful selection ensures a delightful culinary experience. Once you have your premium fish, proper preparation is the next vital step. Begin by ensuring your knife is exceptionally sharp and perfectly clean. This is key for smooth, precise cuts. Carefully remove all skin, any remaining bones, and the dark bloodline, which can impart an undesirable flavor. Gently pat the fish completely dry with paper towels to ensure a clean surface for slicing. This meticulous preparation sets the stage for perfect sashimi. Now for the art of slicing. Always slice the fish against the grain. This technique ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Aim for uniform slices, typically about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, to achieve the ideal texture. Use a single, smooth, drawing motion with your sharp knife for each cut, rather than a sawing motion. This precision creates beautifully presented and perfectly textured sashimi pieces. Finally, it is time to plate and enjoy your exquisite sashimi. Arrange the delicate slices artfully on a chilled plate to maintain their freshness and appeal. Serve your freshly prepared sashimi immediately, accompanied by traditional condiments such as high-quality soy sauce, a dab of pungent wasabi, and refreshing pickled ginger. Savor the delicate flavors and luxurious textures of this truly special dish, a testament to careful preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.